Why choose between function components and class components in React? This decision can significantly influence not only the simplicity and readability of your code, but also its performance and scalability. Let's dive into the world of React components, starting with function components. Function components are, at their core, JavaScript functions that return JSX. They are the bread and butter for many React developers due to their simplicity and conciseness. Since the introduction of hooks in React 16.8, these components have gained the ability to manage state and side effects, capabilities once exclusive to class components. The advantages of function components are notable. They are easier to read and write, which is a boon for developers crafting simple components. Moreover, the performance of function components often surpasses that of class components due to their less complex nature and reduced overhead. The reduced boilerplate code also makes them more streamlined and easier to maintain. Consider the following example of a function component. Imagine a simple greeting component where a user can change the displayed name with a button click. This component utilizes the useState hook to manage state, showcasing the elegance and efficiency of function components. Shifting focus, let's explore class components. These are ES6 classes that extend from React.component and are equipped to handle more complex logic. Class components shine with their ability to use lifecycle methods such as component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount, which are essential for controlling what happens at different stages of a component's lifecycle. Before the advent of hooks, class components were the primary method for managing local state and context within React applications. They remain crucial for maintaining older code bases that rely heavily on these patterns. Picture a class component version of the greeting component mentioned earlier. It would use this state and this set state for state management, illustrating a more verbose approach compared to function components. The key differences between the two types of components stem from their syntax and operational capabilities. Function components are defined as plain functions and manage state through hooks like useState. In contrast, class components, defined as ES6 classes, manage state through this .state and this setState. Lifecycle methods in class components are explicit, while function components mimic these through the useEffect hook. Moreover, class components cannot utilize hooks, which is a significant limitation compared to the flexibility offered by function components. When deciding which type of component to use, consider function components for most scenarios, especially if the component is straightforward or utilizes hooks. Opt for class components when dealing with complex logic that requires lifecycle methods or when maintaining an older codebase. In summary, while both function and class components can be used to build robust React applications, the modern trend leans towards function components due to their simplicity, flexibility, and enhanced performance. However, understanding both types is crucial as each has its place depending on the complexity and requirements of the project.